so I am Janvi Kapoor. We are back with Power Hours. Here we step into your favorite celebrity's 60-minute workout, and it is not as easy as it looks. We sweat, we talk, and somewhere in between, we get real. We are here at Zone 360 in Bandra, and we have someone with us, a state-level cricketer.
चलो वर्कआउट करोगे बातें ही करोगे मुझे घर जाने दो दोस्तों ये मैशेबल वाले मेरा मैश पोटैटो बना देंगे गाइस
Please welcome Saqib Salim.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. So lovely to have you on the show with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
And before we start anything, that's always going to be my first question. Why did you have to quit the gym for this role, which is so paradoxical to preparing for any role?
Oh, I had to quit the gym because I was playing a sports person. Kabir Khan, our director, really wanted all of us to be cricket fit and not gym fit. And we'd all built a lot of muscle and we'd gotten really stiff and all of that. So we had to unlearn a lot. Now for this show that I've done, Kaptan, I had to work out, lift weight and do some cardio together because I had to wear the uniform. When they make uniforms for screen, they make them really tight. And my team was very kind enough, though they never told me. But I realized while looking at myself in the mirror कि ये ज़्यादा tight हो गई है. And if I really want to look good, I need to make sure that I work out and look sharp in the uniform. So in the process, I think I lost about 8-9 kgs, put on some muscle, and yeah, now it's for everybody to see. The show's out on Amazon MX and just loving the feedback that I've been getting for it.
That's amazing. So we're going to get into a lot more of it. But before that, let's begin our Power Hour workout. And
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Are you going to lead this workout, Janvi?
No, we'll do it together. We just decided.
Okay.
Blind guiding.
You seem far more fitter than I do, so I'm happy to follow you.
Okay, let's start. We follow each other.
Okay.
Yeah, uppercut, punches got him busting up. Potion in his double cup, liquor got him buttered up. Yeah, now my competition, every track is like I got bubble guts. Fast life, buckle up. Yeah, turn an angel into angel dust. Top rope caution, got it jumping like double dutch. Used to take a shuttle bus.
It's not about lifting a lot of weight. It's basically about making sure you're doing more repetitions and you're hitting the muscle more than anything else. Because when I was younger, I was working out 7 days a week and all.
I still do that
I'm
sometimes.
like, कहाँ जाओगे? क्या करोगे 7 दिन workout करके यार? Body को आराम भी देना बहुत जरूरी है ना? This understanding came to me very late in life. I think about 4 years ago, I snapped my back. And it was not because of anything, but just because of exertion. My body wasn't tested. I just snapped my back and I was out of action for about 6 months and stuff like that. So that is why warm-up becomes essential for me.
And you've played state-level cricket for Delhi and Jammu Kashmir, if I'm not wrong.
थोड़ा बहुत तो
किया
है जीवन में कुछ.
What was that life like? Like, how is it different now?
Very different. I still play a lot of sport, though at that point, that was the only thing I did. And a very interesting thing happened to me. I had gone for like an under-19 trial once and I saw Virat Kohli bat. Like live. He was about 18, I was about 18. And I'm just watching him bat and I'm like, oh, what is he doing? Is this cricket? Oh, that is the level of cricket one expects. So I realized very quickly.
Okay.
I'm like, that's not the level I have.
Yeah.
But do I love the sport and do I want to continue playing the sport? Yes, all my life. But that couldn't be a career option then.
If I'm not wrong, I've seen your first film. Was it Friendship?
Yes, it was.
Yes, I've seen that film.
Yeah. Were you born then or?
Yeah, I was. I remember.
चलो workout करोगे बातें ही करोगे.
बातें ही करेंगे. Go, we'll do reverse lunges.
Sure, ma'am. After you.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can play like Babar Azam after. Let's go for thruster. What are we doing?
Thruster.
Or squats?
Squats we'll do. training for Kaptan? What was that like?
Oh, lots of training, like I was telling you.
तो कितना कैलोरी कट डाउन करा आपने?
1300 calories.
I'm at 1200, so wow.
When I was doing this, I removed any form of carb.
Okay.
But no rice, no roti, no bread, no meetha.
And you've done this for 6 weeks before as well, right? And you documented the whole thing online as well.
Yes, I did, but I was about to start. I was in fact shooting for this at that point when I
Okay.
put that out, yes.
Okay, let's do some kettlebell swings now.
Okay, ma'am. So I'd done a film called Race 3 and I worked with Mr. Khan, Salman Khan. He called me Munna
Okay.
because I was the youngest on set. So he's like, Munna, तेरी kicking कैसी है? So I'm like, kicking कैसी है मतलब भाई? He's like, अरे, how high can you kick? I'm like, भाई last I kicked someone was in college. So तब मैं इधर तक मार लेता था. So he laughed. He's like, you're doing an action film. Come from tomorrow. I have a kickboxing person who comes. Come train with it. Next day, I have gone to Galaxy at about 5 o'clock. I did an hour and a half. And I was exhausted. So now he's come, he's kicking. So we started working out, 10-15 minutes हो गए. So now we got into an exercise. He's like, ठीक है, तू इधर खड़ा हो, मैं इधर खड़ा होऊंगा, बीच में बंदा पैड लेके खड़ा होगा. एक किक तू मारेगा, एक किक मैं मार. Now I've worked out for 3 hours. So now I have kicked once and suddenly I felt like I'm like नहीं साथी ये नहीं हो सकता है. सलमान भाई ने अगर देख लिया
That'll be a lifetime achievement.
अरे यार
award for
तुझसे
you.
हुआ नहीं मैंने तुझे बुलाया था and I'm like नहीं this can't be my vibe with him. So I've thrown up.
I think this is that athlete mentality.
So I've taken a bottle of water. I've done a gargle. I've looked back to him. I'm like अरे भाई why have you stopped? चलो. And he just looked at me and he's like अच्छा. He made me work out for another 45 minutes. So yeah.
Just show me your highest kick.
Lift it like this. Yeah, that's not bad. That's very good.
Like fuck it, I'll sleep when I'm dead. Yeah, I gave you my word, don't break it for no one. You know I'ma keep what I said. Ready for war, I've been deep in the trance. Been jumping since I had them squeaks in the bed. Ice in my body, I'm cold under pressure. Recovered like I had no heat in the vents. Shooting, I don't ever cut too much to a
How are you feeling?
Good.
ये चर्पी बनने की एक्टिंग करते हो या सच में यू फील गुड?
नहीं
क्या
मतलब.
करना पड़ता है ऐसे फिटनेस अगर आईपी क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू शो.
No, I'm like this only. I can't fake it.
We've done a bit of kettlebells.
Yes.
We've done a bit of warm up. Let's train the core a little.
Let's go.
Okay? So let's start with leg raises.
Okay,
Chal.
cool.
smoke is in the air. Keep it heavy in abundance. When the dust settles, let's see who remains. Show up for the moment, always rolling with the punches. Find a way to see through the ceiling, put above us. Smoke is in the air. Keep it heavy in abundance. When the dust settles, will you be the same? Will you be the same?
3, 2, 1, half, 1/4, 0.
I can still hold it longer.
Oh my God! Look at you. Well done there, Janvi.
So now it's time for a very fun challenge. We call it Beat the Clock. Let's see how confident you are with planks now, because we're going to do a 1-minute plank
I
challenge.
thought we were creating a vibe here और तू सीधा plank पे ले जा रही है. चल. Ready?
3,
2, 1.
let's go.
और बताओ क्या चल रहा है जानवी?
Almost there. See, we are 40 seconds down.
चल मैं तो कर लूँगा तू कर सकती है.
Try करूँगी मैं. Over the course of years, you've played all these crazy roles. Tell me the most crazy fan request you've gotten.
Once again, I'll tell you in 5 seconds. 4,
3, 2, 1.
Come on, let's move it to the side now. चलो. अरे, you can't use it. Oh, she's lost, guys. No, she's using her other hand.
Go up.
I'll tickle you. I'm telling you.
I
हार
think
जा.
I have good range.
नहीं आएंगे तेरे हाथ. चल the other side.
You must be cheating. I can't see you.
Oh, but the cameras can, ना?
Okay, fair.
चल ना बस कर यार क्या कर रही है?
Okay, let's stop.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go down. देखा हार गई मैं कह ही रहा था. थोड़ा फिट होना पड़ता है जानवी. ऐसे नहीं हो
मैं
पाएगा.
अभी आपके वर्कशॉप लूंगी.
हाँ. अब क्या करना है? मुझे घर जाने दो दोस्तों.
इन्हें घर जाने
मुझे
दो.
घर जाना है. ये मैशेबल वाले मेरा मैश पोटैटो बना देंगे guys.
Okay, let's do a rowing session now.
So, you lead the way, ma'am. This core session has really taken its toll on my core.
What is the toughest role that you've prepared for as per you?
Every role comes with its own difficulties. Sometimes, you know, the most simplest roles are the toughest.
Last one. 10.
I want to live with a philosophy that you have to stay in the present, and what you are doing in the present is the most important thing. Let me change some weight for you.
Yes, please. Thank you.
I'll change that one as well. बताइए, आप मुझे वर्कआउट कराना आए थे, मैं आपको वर्कआउट करा रहा हूँ.
Thank you.
Well done, Janvi. That was good.
Thank
Really
you.
proud of you.
So,
Yes, miss.
before we wrap up, I have a last session of rapid fire round for you. Where,
Are you also giving me the hamper?
yeah.
Huh? You have a gift and all for me? Oh, मेरी आवाज चलेगी गिफ्ट
हम
के नाम
खाली
पे.
डायरेक्ट घर पे भेज देंगे.
अरे ये झूठे लोग, कुछ नहीं आने वाले हैं, सब झूठे. हाँ. चलो ठीक है. I am all set for your rapid
Okay,
fire.
great. So
जी.
you're going to do the tire flip and I'm going to ask you rapid fire questions and you have to answer as quickly as you can.
I am ready, ma'am.
One role that tested your physical limits.
Oh, Kaptan.
Cardio or weights?
A bit of both.
Morning run or evening workout?
Early mornings, please.
Gym music or silence?
Silence, please, for me.
Building the 8-pack abs in 2017 or quitting the gym for 83, which was harder?
I think getting into shape for 83.
And do you have 8-pack abs now?
I'm between a 4 and 6.
Can I see?
Haha. All that is chargeable, love.
And one exercise you genuinely hate but have to do anyway.
These tire flips. Can
Okay,
you
okay,
stop?
okay.
Thank you, thank you.
And last one, are you still going strong?
What does it look like?
I think you're going excellent.
That's all I wanted to hear.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Knowing how dedicated you are, how important it is to follow a strict diet to be as toned as you are.
I feel like what you put in your system is the most important thing. I feel like 75% of the body is made in the kitchen. And I feel like you should eat a balanced diet. I had to go off carbs for Kaptan, but I won't recommend it for everybody. But just eat clean food, यार. I feel like इतना adulteration हो गया खाने में. Adulteration के बाद भी और मसाला और ये सब डाल रहे हैं. Might as well just eat clean. Treat your body like a temple.
It's been lovely to have you here and especially the stories that you shared. I'm sure they were inspiring for a hell lot.
Arey, so sweet. I felt like it required every possible ounce of energy in me to do this interview with you.
Thank you very much and thank you everyone for tuning into Power Hour.
Thank you, guys.
Keep working out, keep sweating, stay healthy, stay hydrated and keep powering.
Take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was
Yes.
lovely chatting with you.